In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Malwarebytes on Windows. By the end, you'll have the official Malwarebytes app installed and ready to go, using the safest, most straightforward path. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Malwarebytes. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without having to remember the exact address. Using a search engine also helps you avoid mistyping the name and landing on the wrong page. From the results, click the official Malwarebytes website. You'll know you're in the right place when the link clearly shows the malwarebytes.com domain. It's always important to download security software directly from the source to ensure you're getting a legitimate, up-to-date installer. On the Malwarebytes homepage, look for the Download Now button and click it. The site typically detects that you're on Windows and serves the correct installer automatically. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file. Keep an eye on the download section of your browser. You should see the file appear within a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder or click the file directly from your browser's downloads list. Double-click the installer to launch it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, that's normal for software installation. Go ahead and click Yes so the setup can proceed. When the setup window opens, click Install to begin. You'll be asked whether you're setting this up for personal use or business. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Personal is designed for home users and is the right choice for most people. Business includes features tailored for work environments and centralized management. Next, you'll see an option to secure your browser. Click Secure my browser to enable added protection while you surf the web. This helps block malicious sites and unwanted content in supported browsers. The installer will continue working through the setup, and you'll see a progress bar. Just let it run. It may take a minute or two to complete everything in the background. When the installation is done, click Open Malwarebytes. The application will launch and you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Malwarebytes on your Windows PC. From here, you're all set to explore the app's features at your own pace. If you ever need to revisit the installer, you can always re-download it from the official site using the same steps you followed today.